ever pondered on the importance of sustainable and energy-efficient homes in our world today? Let's take a moment to explore this. We're living in a time where the world is grappling with two major crises: the climate crisis and the vulnerability of our global energy supply chain. These twin challenges are forcing us to rethink how we use and produce energy. One solution is the transition towards digitization and mass electrification of buildings. Now you might be wondering, what does this look like in practice? Well, it's all about harnessing the power of technology. Your home, for instance, is filled with connected devices that can be used to manage energy more efficiently. This intelligent use of technology can help us avoid further crises and provide access to secure, less expensive, and cleaner sources of power. So, next time you're at home, look around. Each device could be a part of the solution to these global challenges. Imagine the future of sustainable, energy-efficient homes, combining sustainable design, retrofits, and smart digital solutions. Consider the case of Schneider Electric's home energy management solutions. At the heart of these solutions are intelligent electrical panels. These aren't your typical breaker boxes. These smart panels connect to all your home's devices, providing real-time monitoring and management of your energy consumption. Think about the power to view and control your home's energy use from your smartphone or computer. It's like having a personal energy advisor, helping you make informed decisions to optimize your energy usage. And the benefits? They're substantial. With real-time management, you can significantly reduce your utility bills. You can also harness solar power to charge your electric vehicles, making your commute more sustainable. But the real magic happens when these solutions enable you to become a prosumer, a consumer who also produces their own electricity. Transforming into a prosumer can indeed lead to virtuous circles of electrified technologies powered by renewables. Now let's travel around the world to see some remarkable energy-efficient buildings. Our journey begins in sunny Singapore, where buildings are constructed to work harmoniously with nature. Design features such as wind-curbing structures, tree-lined walkways, and windows that funnel cool air are just some of the innovative ways the city combats rising temperatures. In the land down under, Australia boasts the Pixel Building, a carbon-neutral marvel that generates its own power and water through ingenious wind turbines and a lush green roof. Halfway across the globe, Denmark's Copenhagen is a power plant that ingeniously converts waste into energy, while also sporting an artificial ski slope and climbing wall. The island nation of Japan is home to the Acros Fukuoka Prefectural International Hall, a structure with landscape terraces that not only lower temperatures, but also provide a habitat for local wildlife. Meanwhile, in the heart of Seattle, the Bullitt Center stands as a living building that generates more energy and water than it uses. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Marina Bay Sands Resort in Singapore has a zone of sustainability that reduces emissions and cools its surroundings. Brazil's Museum of Tomorrow harnesses natural energy sources and features adjustable solar panels for maximum efficiency. In Italy, the vertical forest showcases 2 residential towers enveloped in trees and shrubs that absorb dust and reduce carbon dioxide. Last but not least, Mexico City's Torre Reforma sports a triangular concrete facade and indoor gardens that work together to reduce energy use and purify the air. These buildings are not just structures, they are living, breathing entities contributing to a sustainable future. So, where does this leave us? We're standing at a crossroads where we have the power to shape the future of our planet. The importance of sustainable and energy-efficient homes can't be overstated. They are not just a trend, they are a necessity, a solution to the dual crises of climate change and global energy supply vulnerability. Consider the benefits of transitioning to such homes. Not only can they help reduce your utility bills, but they can also provide access to secure, less expensive, and cleaner sources of power. Imagine charging your electric vehicle with solar power generated by your own home, or optimizing your energy usage with the help of smart digital solutions. But remember, this isn't just about saving money or being tech-savvy. It's about contributing to a sustainable future. Each one of us has a role to play. By making our homes more sustainable and energy efficient, we're not just improving our own lives, but we're also helping to create a better world for future generations. Consider making your home more sustainable and energy efficient. It's not just a home, it's a step towards a sustainable future.